Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous BMW X3 20D M Sport xDrive. This vehicle is currently done 41,000 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour jet black, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle. Starting at the front here, you have your daytime running lights to light up the road nicely throughout the day. It's also handy if you have different weather conditions. You also have fog lamps, which is great for when the visibility is poor. It's an absolutely gorgeous SUV. The vehicle sits very nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels, and you have your M Sport badging there on the side, along with the xDrive 20D badging. Now let's take a look inside. You have beautiful cream leather seats. You also have a nice armrest, so rear passengers can travel comfortably. And there are ISOFIX points on the rear seat, so you can easily fit a child seat and be sure it's safely secured in for that peace of mind. You also have rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably. You have roof rails up top, which is great as you can add things like a roof box to increase storage. You do have a power tailgate, which is great. You can open it using the key fob, providing you with easy access. It's great when your hands are full and you need to open the boot to load it up. You've got a very spacious amount of boot space. You do have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in here. You also have a button up top which closes the tailgate for you. It's handy if you're unloading the vehicle. Instead of struggling to close the boot, you can simply do it at just the push of a button. Now taking a look inside, you have your leather M Sport multifunction steering wheel there. Got a nice silver and gloss black finish on the dashboard, along the doors as well. You have your front seats here. There is plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. The folding is great as you can quickly fold your mirrors in if you're in a tighter space, and it's handy when you park on a narrow road as well, as you can have them folded in to keep them protected from being knocked off by other road users. On the dashboard here, you do have your automatic headlight switch, and you also have automatic wipers, which is a great feature as you don't have to worry about turning them on when set to auto. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focus on the road. On the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Now in the centre here, you have your iDrive infotainment system. You can access different things. It's controlled using this spinning dial and the buttons in the centre console. And on it, you can access DAB, FM and AM radio that allows you to easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. And with DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. You can access different stations here with a list that are available to you, and you can save them to a list so you always have them available instead of having to scroll through every time. You can also connect your own source of audio. You have USB and auxiliary input as well as Bluetooth, and you also have a CD player as well. And of course with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls. You have your Bluetooth menu here where you can connect your device up. You can also import your contacts to the vehicle, so making it very easy to access whoever you need to call. There is navigation as well, which is very easy to follow. You can change the view. It's a nice feature to have, as you can be sure you're never lost, and you can easily take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. You can change the view of the map there by zooming in and out, depending on how you want to view. You also have Connected Drive that offers you with messages, mobile care, BMW online and hotline. Some vehicle information you can access, and you also have front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces. It makes you more aware of your surroundings, and it's a very handy feature being a larger vehicle. Now below here, you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold. You can set your own preference for your side of the vehicle. It's very straightforward to use as well, with the buttons clearly laid out. You also have front heated seats, which are ideal for the upcoming winter months we have ahead of us. They can keep you nice and warm when you hop into the vehicle. You have your CD player there below. Next to your automatic gear selector, you have your different driving modes. You can access Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. These change how the vehicle perform and handle and enhance your driving experience. You can see it's displayed on the infotainment screen depending on what mode you're in. Thanks for watching this video on the BMW X3 20D M Sport xDrive. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.